Hi there, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why CapCut is an awesome tool for editing. Let's jump in. So what exactly is CapCut? CapCut is a multimedia editing tool. It provides a layered system where you can organize your audio, video, your sound files, effects, and much more. Now, the reason why I like CapCut is because it comes with a lot of advantages. The first one is that it's free. It doesn't cost you a dime to actually use CapCut. You can just download the software on CapCut.com and then you install that software and you're good to go. Everything is 100% available. Now, it does have a pro version if you're willing to opt in, but the free tool is powerful enough to create any edit you want. The other reason why I really love CapCut is because of its user interface. It comes in a friendly UI, everything is easy to find, and you won't find it difficult to get used to it. Also, the keyboard shortcuts are built in a very clever manner that makes it really accessible. So apart from the cost, which is free, and the ease of use of the software, which has a very, cool, not a hard learning curve, it's also the speed. If you have a high-end PC and you use CapCut, it's going to be much more efficient. If you have a low-end PC, you could try and have a few workarounds using CapCut, especially when you can reduce the quality of your edits, and then when you're done, you'll actually increase it so you can export. So while you're using CapCut, you can reduce your edit quality and improve your performance. When you're done, you convert it back to the edit system where you can export a high quality content. Hi, so before we continue, I'd like to thank our sponsors. Me, I'm the CEO of 101 Touch Apps and I teach Python programming, graphics design, and as you can see, I also teach video editing. You can check out my Udemy page where you can find content such as Python programming, graphics design, and you can also find free content on the YouTube channel. So let's get back to the video. So apart from that, CapCut comes in with a set of built-in professional tools such as color correction, color grading. It also has the ability to edit the audio. You have built-in noise reduction tools, vocal enhancement, and you can change your voice to suit a specific tone, all built in using that program. Again, it has hundreds of transitions, effects, text effects, animations. Basically, CapCut comes in batteries included. Another cool thing about CapCut is that it comes in as a web-based program. In case you want to use the program in the browser, it has a collaborative space when you log in or sign up with CapCut. You also have a CapCut desktop version where you can use on a Windows or a Mac. And then finally, it has a mobile version, which I believe that's how it started. So while there are a lot of advantages to using CapCut, one of the things I found out was that the software crashes when you have a lot of contents and while you're editing. But the cool thing is, even if the program crashes, which is not too often, so it seldomly crashes, and only when you have overloaded the program, it mostly saves your content. So even if it stops and then you open it up, you find out that you have your content saved. So all those issues we've been having over the years where you close your software and it's no longer there, CapCut is actually saving that for you. So apart from that, it has a lot of built-in tools and animation tools, but those are my top reasons why I feel CapCut is awesome. Do let me know what you like about CapCut and check out my tutorial on how you can remove a background using CapCut to get your hands and feet dirty on using the program. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.